Here at Quality Comfort, we offer our Total Care Club plan. What that is a maintenance plan that includes the furnace tune-up in the fall, AC tune-up in the spring, whole home plumbing inspection, 10% off any repairs throughout the year. You get discounts, service fees on the weekends, and you have no service fees during the week, Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Also, what that includes is our office will give you a call, so you don't have to remember to schedule your furnace tune-up coming up in the fall. With that furnace tune-up, what you get is you get a complete inspection of the entire system. We go through making sure the inducer motor's working the way it should, your blower motor's clean, the igniter, the flame sensor, pressure switches, evaluating the entire system, and most importantly, the flues, making sure that you don't have any cracked heat exchangers, taking a combustion analyze test to make sure that there's no safety issues going into the cold months of winter. Again, this is called our Total Care Club. At the end of each tune-up, AC tune-up, furnace tune-up, you get a full report emailed to you of everything that we went through. So if you have any questions, any concerns, you can always reach out to us, but you get a full report emailed to you to save for your records. So again, if you have any questions about this service, let us know. Thank you very much.